Hello, good evening. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make wild salmon for dinner um, with asparagus, broccoli, and some white rice for dinner. So I'm just going to show you all how I make bake my wild salmon. And just thanks again for joining me. I do appreciate it, and I thank those who have subscribed, those who are thinking about it, and who just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Okay, so this is what I have. Take a look at this. Okay, so we have the wild salmon, and then we have some bell peppers and some red onion. We have the asparagus. I love asparagus. The hubby does not like asparagus, but I love asparagus. And some broccoli. We're gonna do broccoli tonight with some white rice. And this is the first thing that I do is I will pour some olive oil, virgin olive oil, into the pan. Okay, pour some olive oil in here. Then my meat fish is all seasoned. Yes, you have to make it marinate for a little while. So I'm just gonna lay it out in the pan. So in the wild salmon, I put some green scallion in there. I put cilantro, celery, garlic. As you all know, I love using adobo and some adobo in here. And I just laid out. Okay, and then I put the rest of the seasoning right into it. As you all can see all the garlic in here. I love cooking with garlic. Then I have the bell peppers. Just cover it down with some bell peppers. Okay. And then we have the red. We have the red onions. I'm just covering it with some red onions. We love cooking with onions. I think that's enough onion. Then I put some more onion here. Olive oil. And then I will sprinkle a little bit more adobo on top of it, because as you all know, we don't use salt, so just put a little bit of adobo in it. And I'm gonna put it into the oven on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and that should do it. You see, take a look. Looks beautiful. So that's how I do my salmon. So I'm just gonna let it set for maybe 5 minutes before I stick it into the oven. But the oven is going. So now what I'm gonna do is get my broccoli. My broccoli and my asparagus ready, and I'm just gonna steam the broccoli and do the asparagus up in some olive oil with garlic, and that's gonna be it. Guys, I forget to mention, I forget to put my lemon, squeeze of lemon onto it to cut the freshness. So, and as you can see, I put some celery on the top of it. So I forget to mention that. Okay guys, as you can see, I cut my broccoli and my asparagus. On one side is the asparagus and the broccoli, and I put some red onions in there and some garlic, and I'm just gonna steam that up. And where is my steamer color? Okay, and I just cover this and turn my steamer on, and I leave that there for it to steam. And now that my salmon is ready, as I said, I'm just gonna put it in the oven for half an hour on 350 degrees. Let it take its time and bake. And you know, salmon is something that you cannot overcook. So and then I will do my rice, and that's it. I'll be right back, my friends. Okay, the vegetable is all finished. I'm steaming. So now what I'm waiting to do is to let the salmon finish baking, and that has a few more minutes to go, and I will be right back. Get the hubby ready to eat.